Hello everybody, it's Rohan from 6-1, and today I'll be teaching you guys about central tendencies. So the first thing that I'll be talking about is mean. Mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values in the dataset. So let's say you had 3 kids in a class and they each got a score of 5 on the BEEP test. You would add those scores and divide them by 3 because that's how many people were participating. So if you added them, that would be 15, and divide by 3, it would be 5. So your answer would be 5. Next is the median. Median is the middle point in the dataset. If you had the numbers 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, the median would be 22 because it's the middle number. Next is mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring value data point in the set. If you had the numbers 1, 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, the mode would be 6 because it occurs the most. Finally, range. Range is the difference between the largest and smallest number in the data set. So if you had data ranging from 7 to 77, the range would be 70 because that is the difference between the largest and smallest number. Next is 2 common mistakes people make when they do mean, median, mode. The first one is when calculating median, most common mistake people make is not ordering the number from lowest to highest. And the next one is when calculating mean, a common mistake people make is trying to divide all the numbers in their head. Solutions. As soon as you see the question, write the numbers from greatest to least, or least to greatest. Do long division or use a calculator. Now, here's my word problem. Andrew and Steve were selling chocolate to raise money for charity. The first week, they sold 75 chocolate bars. In the second week, they sold 67 chocolate bars. In the third week, they sold 67 chocolate bars again. The fourth week, they sold 70 chocolate bars. And on the fifth and last week, they sold 68 chocolate bars. What is the mean, median, mode, and range of the chocolate bars they sold? So, since first we're going to calculate them. So, all the numbers added up, pause the video if you need to, would be 347. And 347 divided by 5, because that is the number of weeks that they did it. Therefore, that our mean would be 69.4. Next, we're going to figure out the median. So, to figure out the median, we need to do this. So, we have to order them from least to greatest. So, the lowest 2 numbers, 67, 67, 68, 70, and 75. So, obviously the middle number in this equation is 68. So, therefore, that makes our mean 68. Median 68, sorry. Next, we're going to figure out the mode. So, order least to greatest, the numbers are 67, 67, 68, 70, and 75. And as we can see, 67 occurs the most. So therefore, our mode is 67. Next is the range. So the highest number is 75. Lowest number is 67. 75 minus 67, 8. Our range is 8. So the question here is, Nicholas is a very important test coming up, and his current grades are 70, 30, and 50. What must Nicholas get to pass? So our first step is that we're going to add all these numbers up. So 70, 30, and 50. So that equals 150. And plus x, because that's our unknown value right now. We're going to say it's 51. And we have this 4 here because it's division. So what we're going to do is our next step. So the next step is that we do 4 times 150 divided by 4, but what we can actually do is that since there is was another 4 here, we could actually cancel these out, but then we would have to do 4 times 51. So basically, what would we're doing here is getting 4 times 51. Then that would be 204, and then now so we're doing our addition. So 150 plus x equals 204. So now we know what we're doing, and then next is x equals 204. So we do an inverse. 204 minus 150, which is 54, and then that's our answer. So x equals 54. So Nicholas needs a grade of 54 to pass his test. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.